to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So I'm turning 12 next month and one of my goals is to be more independent and eat healthier. I think it's super important that especially in these years we learn to eat healthier and learn to cook for ourselves. And that's why I'm super happy that HelloFresh has sponsored this video. HelloFresh is a meal subscription kit. The recipes are easy to follow and fun to make so young people like me and you can learn to be more independent. Have your parents go into the link in my description and put in the code JustJordan80 to get $80 off of your first month of HelloFresh. It's a steal! Let's get into the video. Cooking for the first time can be really scary and super stressful, but with HelloFresh they have all the recipes and instructions for you, and they already have all the food packaged for you. So let's unbox my HelloFresh kit. I chose the family-friendly option because I thought there was more food that young people could relate to. This box is bigger than me. So on the top we have these 3 cards, and these are all the meals that are in the box, which I think is pretty cool that they show you what they look like. And on the back it shows step-by-step instructions, so it makes it even easier. We stand an easy meal. But we have these bags that kind of look like fast food bags. So each bag is labeled with each different meal. On the back it says this bag is greener than a salad bar. Beneath the giant ice pack we have more ingredients. So I think I'm going to do the chicken sausage and spinach ricotta ravioli because that sounds really good. So I'm gonna put the meat and the other 2 bags in the fridge and the freezer so I can have them for another day. I got a bust out, as it says, a large pan, large pot, strainer, salt, black pepper, vegetable oil, and a butter. I'm gonna get going. We are ready to roll. So number 1 prep says bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. So that's what I'm going to do. Next it says to wash and dry all of produce. So that's what we're going to do. In this little bag, it was all of these ingredients. Look how cute these little packagings are. They're really cute looking. So now they are all washed and drying. Now we have 2 thinly sliced scallions. The bottom looks like worms. Make sure you have your parents' supervision or permission, or have them do it for you when using a knife, because it can be scary. Look how proper theirs looks, and then look how crazy mine looks. It's okay, it's just a little bit messy, but that's fine. Next step is to heat oil in the pan, and I got the oil right here and the pan right there. Now while that's heating up, I'm going to add the ravioli into the boiling water. Look how fancy these raviolis are. Striped, oh, so cute. Cook away, Jose. Now we wait for such a long time. 5 whole minutes. Man, that won't stop. Now it's time to pour in the chicken sausage. That smells really good. Kind of reminds me of, I'm scared. Oh, my mama is so thick. Remember, have your parents supervision, permission, or have them do it for you when working with a fire. Drain the ravioli, then save one. I know. Then save one cup of the water from it. Now we gotta dump in our tomatoes, and it says to do it until the tomatoes are soft. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. Now we gotta make our sauce, so let's squeeze in this. Ooh. Then a squeeze of the lemon. Got it. And a splash of pasta water. I think that's good. I'm out here really chefing. I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm going to add in the sour cream, the weird shaped package, and my butter. Squirt it so thick. I just gotta keep stirring and stirring. And it said if you wanted more sauce, add a little bit more pasta water, and I do kind of want a little bit more, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more. That's enough. And stir it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Yeah. Mix it up. Yeah. Look how good it looks. Ooh. Now it's time to add the ravioli to my sauce. And we are done. It is time to plate it. Here it is. The last step is just to garnish with the green stuff and garnish with the lemon. Too much. So I'm super excited to get into it, so let's try it out. I'm gonna try the chicken. The chicken sausage is so good. This is bomb.com. I don't mean to brag, but am I chef now? Oh my goodness, I'm Gordon Ramsay. Don't tell my mom, but I think this is better than anything she ever made. Thank you so much HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. It was super easy and fun to make this, and it turned out incredible. It is bomb.com. I can't wait to try the other 2 meals. I bet they're gonna also be fantastic, and I'm really happy to be more independent and eating healthier, and now I can make a dinner for my parents. Don't forget to go to the link in my description and use the code JustJordyn80 to get $80 off your month, the first month of HelloFresh. I'm like, ding dong, who is this? Hello, fresh, good cooking, good looking. Hello, fresh, yeah, it's the best. Yeah, hello, fresh. That was good, I was spitting bars. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff.